What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Super Saiyan Goku from Dragon Ball GT. Okay, so today we are going to draw Kid Goku from Dragon Ball GT. As you can see on the screen, these are the materials we are going to use for this tutorial. And of course, make sure to draw a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters. So without further ado, let's get to it. We are going to start by drawing Goku's face. And we'll also mark his hairline and the center of his face by using this guideline. Next, we're going to draw his eyebrow by using 3 lines. And then 3 more lines to create the eye. Following with the iris. And we're going to do the same process for the right side, although this side will appear slightly bigger because of the angle. Next, we'll draw his cheek marks underneath, just by using some curves. And then we're going to draw his cute little nose by using 4 lines. Next, we're going to give him a very confident smile, right below the nose with a very tiny gap. Indicate the bottom lip. And then we're going to draw his sideburn and his ear. So just like always, I'm starting by drawing the shape of the ears, and only then I'm adding the details inside. Next, we'll draw 2 lines for the neck. Then we'll draw his trap muscle, following up with the gi. Next, we're going to draw 2 curves to indicate his chest, the upper chest, and 1 more line to create the neck muscle. Awesome, next we're going to draw the hair, so we'll start by drawing the spikes from the front. Next, we'll add 2 more spikes right there. And then we'll use this guideline, which will help us draw the rest of the spikes and keep the right proportions. Some sip of coffee. Awesome, next we're going to refine the hair by adding some lines with the direction of the shape. And to make the drawing a bit more interesting, we are going to color the irises with a blue-green color pencil. Awesome, next we are going to mark all the shaded areas for this drawing. And we want the light source to come from the left side, which means that the right side will appear darker because it gets less light. And if you guys new to this channel, this process is called cell shading. It's what they do in 2D animation, traditional and digital as well. Awesome, so now it's time to shade, and this time we are going to use cross hatching. That's a shading technique, and this is how it works. We are basically going to draw diagonal lines with an equal gap from one to another. Now it doesn't have to be accurate by the millimeter, just do the best that you can. Awesome, and now to create an even darker shade, what we are going to do is draw the same diagonal lines, but this time in the opposite direction. And as you can see, by that we get a darker shade. And we are done, everybody! This is how you draw Kid Goku from Dragon Ball GT. Please let me know how you did in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this sketching tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. I upload 4 new tutorials every week. That's it for today. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace!